Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Big City Crypto Community. So guys, I am here back again with an awesome project, Orange DEX. So it's a first generation of Bitcoin DeFi hub. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer. This is not investment advice. I am not your financial advisor. First of all the links provided in video description. You need to click on the video title, then the description will be open and you can check all the link. First of all, this is a BRC20 ecosystem, a Bitcoin protocol platform to trade, bridge, launch, earn, borrow and lend. It's a all-in-one project. So first of all, we talk about BRC20.com. Here you can see the first all-in-one BRC20 solution and bringing DeFi to Bitcoin, stake to earn. This is a roadmap, dashboard and stake to earn, super app, AMM launch and many things more. Buy.com, Bybit, HTX, Uniswap, MEXC, BitGet, OKX and Ordinal Wallet. And here you can see all the exchange, social links also provided and layer 2 bridge explorer. So you know what is BRC20. Now we talk about the Orange DEX. Orange DEX is a Bitcoin protocol platform, and here you can see the about us. First of all, some of the information about us: trade, bridge, moon map, blog, documents and launch app coming soon. First of all, about us, the Orange DEX. The first is trade. What is trade? Trade on Orange DEX combines AMM swap with the live chart protocols trading and the DEX agreements to seamless efficient transactions. And the second thing is launch. Participate in IDOs, INOS and liquidity bootstrapping on Orange DEX, secure your support and invest in premium early stage projects. The third thing is and maximize your reward with Orange DEX advanced DeFi mechanic, including staking, farming, restaking and the valid rewards bridge. The fourth and last is very important: easily and securely bridge from Bitcoin to EVM chains to Orange DEX. More chains will be added later. So I hope you understand everything. So now you can check out O4DX premium exchanges. Here you can see the chart of the project. Elevate your ideas with the process of the low slippage. Check out AMM. So now we scroll down, you can check out bridge. What is BRC20 transaction lock address and the O4DX bridge lock contract and EVM effortless token transfer, unlocking the endless possibilities securely. And check out the bridge. Here you can see the where strategies made success. You can check out ODX token protocol utility token across the DEX bridge, launch app, DeFi, stake, farm, borrow and lend, definitely machine, implement governance voting discount across the various products. And if I scroll down, you can check out more OX Smart Pool. Here you can see the projects on board through the O4DX Launchpad. Intel liquidity offering will be added 35% to 100% of the raised amount. Their LP pool, time to lock up LP token, enhanced protocol TVL. And if I scroll down, you can check out the value. What is value? Value is O4DX value collects 10% to 20% of the protocol revenue and collect 0.1% to 0.2% project token as a donation. So if I scroll down, you can check out buyback 50% of the DEX trade fee, LP reward from the smart pool, 0 DEX valid revenue. And if I scroll down, you can check out 04DX moon map. Basically 04DX is a symbol of the project and you can check out moon map. First of all, question 4, and here you can see the consolidation terms and advisory information platform development and first half of 2024 website live branding platform testing social media cross channel integration onboard partner and investors. And you can check out the question 2.5 of 2024 launch token TG DEX Orange DEX premium exchange phase 1, providing staking platform dashboard live DEX marketing appearance phase 1. And here you can see the Intel liquidity offering ILO Orange DEX. And here you can see the full roadmap of this project. Launch ILO 5 project DAO platform building DEX agriculture phase 2 80% completion. Orange DEX premium exchange phase 2 and on the phase 3 and burner buyback round 1. And the last and the main thing is the DAO and implement of the platform expansion, launch 5 IN and 5 IDO, borrow and lending phase 2, improve security and instruction, integrate more BRC20 DEX. Here you can see the Orange Islands, Orange Insights. You can check out the latest news about this project. And here if I scroll down, you can check it for investment, collaboration, get in touch with us. You can send submit your message. And here you can see the product, market, trade, bridge. So here you can see the product, market, trade, bridge, integrate, valid, borrow and lending, terms and conditions, user agreement, cookies, disclaimer, API, white paper. So we also check out the white paper. And now we talk about on the Twitter. Here you can see the Twitter handle, OrangeDAX BRC20. If I click on follow, then I need to follow the Twitter account, because this project always give all the updates on the Twitter and Telegram account. So first of all, we talk about on the Twitter, then I show you Telegram channel. First of all, you can check out the information about this. Join it January 2024, and here you can see the some pinned postage. And if I scroll down, you can check out this is 9 hours ago post, OrangeDAX on fire. Our private round pre-sale on the Summary started sold out in less than 5 minutes. Hold the folks of the just incredible accents. And you can see the some collaboration and partnership with the big influencer on the Twitter account. They're giving the regular update. And you can see the OrangeDAX is the thriller advanced tool for our marketing partner. And here you can see the full information about the project. And this is that they will be partnership with the big influencers. And here you can see the full information about this project. And here you can see the image here. I think the token is also here. You can check out OrangeDAX on the 9 number. And here you can see the price and ROI target. You can also check out this ROI and target. And if I scroll down, you can also check out the full information about the project here. So here you can see the private sale and the OrangeDAX show more. If I click on show more, you can check out backed by OrangeDAX on one page. And then I click on one page and date and application, price per 0DAX private round. And here you can see the THE and IDO price and link. And here you can see the OrangeDAX and pool information. This is the Telegram announcement channel. If I Telegram announcement channel, I simply open the channel here. Then I click on the view in Telegram. If I click on view in Telegram and open Telegram desktop, and the Telegram channel has been successfully opened, then I click on join channel, because they will also give the all the updates on the Telegram channel. And here you can see the OrangeDAX official. So I hope you join it all the community links. This is the one pair link. Here you can see the OrangeDAX first generation DeFi hub and the pool time. Apply tire round and from March. And here you can see the information. No referred KYC now and a stake to buy. And then you can click on buy tire round. And here you can see the OrangeDAX. And here you can see the full information about the project and all the explanation with the images. And it's very easy method to explaining the users and task force and every detail provided in video. With the images with the information. So now we check out OrangeDAX tire round 1 upcoming. And here you can see the website, Twitter, Telegram links provided here. So this is BRC20. I already tell what is BRC20: staking, wiki, dashboard, L2, testnet. And here you can see the trade. You can also trade here, choose exchange. You can also choose exchange HTX, MX, and Bybit, Uniswap, Binance, airdrop. If you want to buy Binance, then you can check out the Binance here. And trade and our solver rewards. You can also check out the activity roles. So now we talk about the white paper documents. I click on documents here, then I click on the documents, and the documents has been opened. So we now talk about the abstract. Where do things stand right now? The DeFi summer movement, which a certain moment during the summer of 2022, has been accumulated remark of value locked. And you can check out BRC and TRC20 network explain. What is BRC and explain? Definitely BRC20 token, Bitcoin Flash 3 new friends, BRC20 token of open DeFi doors with a twist. Before describing how BRC20 token function, we must have understand technology behind them. Ordinals protocol to explain sets and given a serial number depending on the segments and the mind of the Bitcoin network, the sign of ordinal number of the each Satoshi, which is the how protocol actor name. And what is ERC and BRC and ERC token difference? You can check out the ERC and BRC token difference provide here, market opportunities and stand picks. You can also check out an OrangeDAX solution site. This is the solution site trade. And if I click on trade, you can check out this is the bridge and launch app. And if I click on earn, you can also check out the earn here. Here you can see the multiplier liquidity and multiplier 11x. And if I click on value proposition, you can check out your value proposition. Revenue model, then I click on revenue model, you can also check out your revenue model here. Token utility, so I click on token utility, you can check out the project symbol is 004DX, $004DX, and here you can see the comparison. Then I click on comparison, you can check out what is token economics, and token ticker O4DX, total supply I think 1 billion plus, and here you can see the FDMC 8.5 million, chain BRC20 in EFM. So this is the token distribution, and early round price 0.045, value 4.5 million, and here you can see the token distribution. 10% on the early round, private round 15%, strategies around 5%, public round 10%, team 7%, ecosystem staking reward 15%, treasure development 10%, community marketing 5%, advisor 3%, liquidity 20%, and here you can see the vesting detail 50% on TG, 50% private, staking reward, and the 12 month of club award 18 month. And this is the moon map. You can check out website, Medium, Twitter, Telegram official chat, Telegram official announcement, legal disclaimer, and here website FAQ section. Also provide here you can what is Orange Index. Orange Index is a comprehensive of BRC20 defibrillator of a trading, bridging, steady lending, borrowing, and launchpad of the much more improbable user to access the opportunity to Bitcoin has the easy to maximize their protocol earning. So you can check out what is BRC. You can also check out the bringing DeFi solution here. And this is the Twitter account, you can also follow here, and this is the one page you can also check out. I'll provide the video description. You can also check out the Telegram announcement channel. So this is website. I already tell about the everything, and if I miss anything, you can do a comment in our video. We definitely reply you. This is the blog, this is document, and the application is coming soon. If I click on get early access, after clicking the get early access, you can check out the get early access. The page is loading, and you can check out early access information here. Orange Index early access registration, and please take a moment, enter your email, then you enter a Telegram ID, which country you based, have used any BRC20 bridge form, and here and here yes or no. Then which DeFi protocol do you use? You can also check out here. Are you founder looking launch with us, and CEX do you prefer, TX you prefer, average daily trading amount, volume of trade will not be executed, and then click on submit. And this is the early access registration, and you can check out will be whitelisted to beta test of 40x product. They will be used in your consideration. So I hope you understand everything related to this project, and this is a really BRC20 first and 100x gem for generation of the Bitcoin hub. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment in our video. We will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. We will meet next review video. Take care yourself.